just past Ayesgarth. The path wanders through some fields and then comes to this climb over stile. Just make sure you don't follow what appears to be heavy footfall along the side of the field, because you end up in a dead end and have to double back down towards the river. Hello and welcome back. Well, I'm on a 4-day hike. I'm doing the Herriot Way up in the Yorkshire Dales. I'm on day 1. I'm walking from Ayesgarth to Hawes. It's absolutely stunning so far. It's 20 odd degrees, so it's very nice. Now heading towards the village of Askrigg. Hopefully the pub's open and get a nice cold drink. Just passed through the village of Askrigg, called in at the King's Arms and had a couple of pints. And now, I'm not sure if it's the alcohol, but this appears to be the smallest gate I've ever seen. Back towards Ayesgarth and Askrigg. There's our destination for tonight via Sabusk and Hardrow. So about 2 miles to go and we're done. Now heading up through the village of Sedbusk. This bench has seen better days. Just leaving the village of Hardraw behind. Did want to visit the falls, but it's trapped behind the pub and you've got to pay to get in, which is a shame. Now on the final leg into Hawes. Non-pack friendly style just before you get to Hawes. Now the waterfalls in Hawes.